All right. Hey, flute players. I had a couple of requests to take a look at this longer slur exercise before it's due today. Tomorrow's fine, too, obviously. I won't grade till probably Sunday morning at the earliest. So, longer slur, not too hard, right? This is from an earlier part in the book compared to where we are right now. So you really only knew 3 or 4 notes at this point in your flute careers. The hardest part of this is actually the fact that it is pretty easy, and like these are half notes and they are slurred, and so you really do need to try and make it the full 6 counts, right? Half note, two beats a piece, so half note plus half note plus half note, all slurred, is 6 counts of air, which will make it a little bit tougher. So if you want to use your tempo a little faster, then we kind of go pretty slow in beginning band pretty often, right? But if you want to think da and just keep it moving, that may actually help you with this. And it's like trying to ride a bike really slow. It's hard, right? A little bit of speed helps keep you more balanced, okay? Again, this piece starts on concert E flat, which is this note, obviously 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and your pinky as well as the thumb as always, right? It should sound like this. It's a note we're pretty comfy with at this point, in our year. First measure, really all the measures are a half note of a note, then it changes down like to D in the first measure, then it goes back to the E flat for measure 2. You look at measure 3, same basic pattern, but it goes from concert F to E flat and back to F. The highest note you have is the high G in measure 5. That one's a little bit tough if you blow too slow or not quite focused enough. Again, G, 1, 2, 3 in the left hand. If you blow a little bit not focused enough, you'll end up getting the low G to speak instead. So all I can do is, chin up, encourage you to use fast air to laser beam, that poo syllable, real focused sound. And just blow nice and straight and quick as you can, all right? I'm going to go ahead and play this one straight through for you, and we'll just kind of see, hopefully, how it goes. It will hopefully go well. I'm not a great flute player, and this can help you kind of practice and get your ears and your fingers trained up for when you submit yours. So here we go from the top. This is longer slur. 3 and... 3 and 3 and 'Alright, so that's this one, y'all. If you have any more questions or need any extra help, message me, let me know what you need, and I'll try and send you back a message or record one more quick little video for you, whatever helps. So if you have anything else, let me know. Get me on Canvas. And if not, have a great weekend. And I'll look forward to seeing these here in a couple days. Have a good day. Bye.